This video is brought to you by EVBase. Use my referral code when you get a new Tesla and get 3 months of free FSD. Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli and FSD. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Please support me on Patreon. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code. Thank you for the last two owners or future owners of a Tesla Model 3 and Model Y using my referral code. I appreciate it. And today we are celebrating the 5 years ownership of my Tesla Model 3, 2021 to 2026. I'm going to go over all the details. And one big disappointment, I'm telling you right off the bat, it is not the car's fault, it's somebody else's fault, but there is some kind of a remedy. We'll go to it. So we'll go through the price, we'll go through FSD, we'll go through wear and tear, we'll go through accessories, battery health, everything that you can imagine, we will go through in this video. So let's start. 5 years, 80,000 miles. As I'm recording this video, it's 81,000 miles already, 130,000 kilometers. That is unbelievable. Okay, now the total maintenance, from what I calculate, it's very hard to remember what I did all these years. It's about $3,000, but I can tell you that $2,200 of it is 2 sets of tires. Okay, because I have so many miles. So after about 40,000 miles, I put a new set, and after 80, not too long ago, another sets of tire. So that's that. Everything else is like that. Now I can also tell you that there was an expense of $2,000 for a broken windshield, but that's not maintenance, that's damage. Okay, insurance covered most of it because I broke the front windshield. I'll tell you about it in a minute. So 92% remaining on the battery capacity, 92%. Okay, 80,000 miles, now 80,000 miles, 81,000 miles, $3,000 in 5-year maintenance. We'll go over it, and the full self-driving FSD is amazing, and that is also my big disappointment in a second. Okay, so this is what we paid. Okay, 52,440, and we add the 10K for FSD. I did get the $7,500 tax credit. At that time, it was a tax credit, not a at point of purchase, like a discount. So it brought it to 54,940. It is more expensive than what the Tesla Model Y today. Okay, much more expensive because the prices were unbelievably high at that time. So the hardware, the architecture, this is like an amazing car. 353 miles when I bought it. Today, I would say 310, 316, something like that. So there is a degradation like there always is, but once it degrades, at one point, then it stops, okay? Dual motor, okay, all-wheel drive. Premium audio, okay, sunroof, luxury trim elements, everything you can think about having that car. Front trunk, as you know, high utility and all that. Whoever has a Tesla knows how much we love the front. 82 kilowatt hour battery. Okay, now I don't drive it anymore because my son, I gave it to my son, he is in college, so he's been driving it for the last, I would say, year and a half or so, but that was my primary car. And over these, there's a lot of scratches and wear and tear. One thing I can tell you right off the bat, guys, is buy accessories. You can use my referral code through EVBase, where I buy everything: mats, tire rims, rim covers. Those are very important to protect you from. First of all, they're pretty, and they protect you from curb rash. Okay, a phone holder, because a phone holder to me is like a safety feature, because everybody fidgets with their stupid phones, including me. So when you put it out there, it's much safer. You get a call or something, you don't have to search for it. So it's right in front of you. If you want to use Waze as a backup as a backup navigation, it's great. I use also that little strip for phone charging and accessories, extensions. That's great. All of these are they're not like luxury. Okay, so the floor mats protect your car. The rim covers protect you from curb rash. phone holder, the strip. Those are the basics. You can get a lot of discount if you use my EV base link. I get everything from them. They are amazing and they are very good quality stuff. Okay, so let's continue. Battery health, as you can see, down to 92%. That is not bad at all. That is not bad at all. Even if I get 300 miles on a charge, I'm really, really happy because it's not going to change much. Okay, it's not going to change much once it gets to 10% degradation. Okay, about when I started charging, home charging was like 10 cents per kilowatt. Now it actually went up to 17 cents per kilowatt in stupid state of New Jersey, okay, with all this energy crisis that we have. So I can say, I did some calculation. If I drove a gas car for the last 5 years, on an average of $3.50, today gas in New Jersey is about $4. If I drove a $3.50-ish average, I would have paid about $10,000. And all my charging, I calculated as much as possible. It's about $3,000. So it's a $7,000 savings. And forget the headaches, and it's home charging, and it's this and this and that. That if actually paid. So most of the time I charge at work, which cost me $0. Supercharge, I get so many referral credits, so I barely ever paid for supercharging. I can say that I paid $0 for charging, but I just give it to you as if one would actually have to pay. So I didn't pay much for energy at all over the years. Okay, so here's the big disappointment. Now the FSD is freaking amazing. The version 12 that we have on the Model 3 right now is amazing. It's great. However, in the earnings call the other day, Elon Musk said that unfortunately version 3 will never achieve autonomous driving unsupervised. Will never. It's supervised now and it's great. So here are the two remedies. People paid a lot of money for this. So there are two remedies. Remedy number one says Elon Musk there will be a discount. You get a discount if you trade in for a new car. Okay. Or there will be an upgrade for V4, hardware 4, and cameras in a special location that Tesla will build. Well, good luck waiting. And will it cost money? If it costs money, that's outrageous, okay? So, listen, if you tell me, is the FSD right now, as it is in version 3, in hardware 3, good? It's not good. It's excellent. But it's never going to be what was promised, autonomous car unsupervised. And that is a big deal because me, a person who drives a lot of long-range distances, that is a big deal, okay? So that is the biggest disappointment. As you can see, there are no oil changes, there's no engine maintenance, there's no brake, there's no brake pads, nothing. As we say, bupkis, nothing. So it's really air filters and tire rotation and tires. Now everybody needs tires about $1,000, depending which brand you buy, and that's it. Now I did have the front windshield broken because a pebble flew from a truck on a highway in North Carolina, and I had to replace it, and insurance gave me most of the money. Well, that can happen in any car, so that's that. So $3,000, that includes the tires. So you cannot say that you cannot include the windshield brake. You just can't. Okay, so basically my estimation is about $3,000 of maintenance altogether, and this one is called repair. Okay, so basically I would highly recommend, like I said, the accessories. The accessories are so important for the health of the car and for the resale value. You don't want a car that stinks because some water got in and there's no mats and it got mold smell on it. Okay, you don't want that. Okay, so basically it is a wonderful car. I hope to keep it for many more years. Knowing me, I may be tempted. I got an email from Carvana that will give you $6,000 more than what I owe now. That's interesting. But the verdict is that the 2026 Tesla Model 3 is an amazing car. An absolutely amazing car. Thank you guys for watching.